So this is the second apartment and it's called Edificio Bavaria, as you can see. So that's the name. Let's go in. Hola! So this is the pool area of the condo. So edificio, it means building in English. So let's see. So this is the pool area. It's so nice, right? So this is the building. It's actually 26th floor. So let's go inside for the room tour. So we are on the 21st floor. Thanks, love. So this is the room. It's so nice. So we have the kitchen here. Everything is complete. Everything you need is there as well. Plates and stuff. And the refrigerator. The bedroom. The restroom. So this is my space for my skincare and stuff. This is the living area, our working space. Look at the view. So as usual, just like the first apartment, it is near the ocean as well. So just a walking distance. Right? I think it's so nice that it's near the ocean. So whenever you just wanted to swim, you know, you could just walk there and have your swimming. That view is so nice. Oh my gosh, like it's just so relaxing. You know, like if you are stressed or something, you know, just look at the view. This is my view every time I work, and it's just so nice, you know. So this area is lake, I believe. Yeah, this is the lake, and then there's an ocean again there. So you know, if you got bored here, you can just transfer there. And also this is a Hilton hotel. Oh my gosh, like it's so nice that every night it has a rainbow light or something like that. So I think this beach here called Boca Grande, Playa Boca Grande, and this one I believe is El Laguito, Playa El Laguito. So it's really nice in here. So again, I'm gonna post their B&B on the link below, so you could check out if you want to visit Cartagena one day. So the walled city is on this area, and that's where our first apartment as well. So we are kind of, and it's kind of far, probably 30 minutes drive or 40 minutes drive, but it's fine. I just wanted to show what it looks like night time in this condo. So there's the Hilton Hotel, that color blue thing, that's the Hilton Hotel, and this is lake. This one, I'm not sure if you can see it, this one is the lake, and these are the view. Oh my gosh, it's just so amazing, right? Look at that, it's so nice. And then there's a pool area that is on the other side. That is not part of the condo. It's part of that hotel, which is Hotel Caribe. Our pool area is actually close, and it's there. I'm not sure if you could also see it. But yeah, this view is really amazing. You know, like if you are stressed from work, you know, you just look at the view and everything will be alright. It's really nice. So we are on this part of Cartagena, which is El Laguito. Yeah, this is the, I'm not sure if I can show you a map of Cartagena, but this is the last part of Cartagena. So yeah, it's really amazing. The time now is around 11-ish, and look at the roads, or look at the streets. It's so quiet now. Right, it's so nice. Well, anyways, that's the end of this video. I just wanted to show you the nighttime, or the night view of this condo. So yeah, good night guys, bye.